In this demo, we'll install the IBM Db2 Genius Hub DR REST Lite service on an existing Linux machine that already has Db2 and MQ installed, then connect it to the Genius Hub to enable replication. Head to IBM Fix Central. In the product selector, search for IBM Db2 Genius Hub and select it from the results. Select the most recent version and set the platform to Linux. Click Continue to browse available fixes. On the Browse for Fixes page, find the DR REST Lite package for your architecture, select it, and download it to your local machine. With the package downloaded, we copy it to our target Linux machine using SCP. Once the transfer completes, SSH into the machine as root. Extract the package directly to the root file system. Run install.sh as root. The installer will prompt you for your environment details. Enter your Db2 admin group and the Q rep user, which should match the user running your Q capture and apply processes. Provide your Db2 instance name followed by the instance owner ID. These values are configured during the installation of Db2. Enter your Db2 installation path and the instance home directory. Now we will provide the details of the MQ installation. Confirm that MQ is installed locally, then supply the fully qualified hostname for Db2, MQ, QREP, and the REST API. Finally, select the database to use for the replication control tables. The installer sets up users, installs Java 21 and GSKit, configures Liberty, and writes all runtime configuration automatically. Now, to configure passwords, enter a secure password for the QREP user. This username and password will be used for authenticating the REST APIs. Next, provide the password for the QREP DB user. This username and password will be used to authenticate to the database. Once installation completes, run init_luw.sh to configure the Liberty application server and start the QREP REST API. This generates key stores, writes the runtime environment, and launches the service on port 9444. The REST API is now running. Please keep the Lite server and MQ details handy for registering systems with the Db2 Genius Hub. This would be explained in upcoming videos. The Db2 GHAI assistant can guide you to install and configure using conversational skills. Thank you for watching this demo. Have a nice day.